everybody! Today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest peanut butter factories in the world. Per capita, peanut butter consumption reached an unprecedented 4.4 pounds in 2023, according to census data from the U.S. Department of Agriculture and the U.S. Census Bureau. What makes this rustic dish so influential? The origins of peanut butter can be traced back to the ancient Aztec and Inca cultures, but it became popular in the United States towards the end of the 19th century. The breakthrough came when Marsilius Gilmore Edson patented a process for producing peanut butter in 1884. Today, peanut butter is a staple in American diets and enjoys immense popularity, being consumed in millions of households across the country. How to turn thousands of tons of peanuts into jars of delicious peanut butter? All will be answered in this video. One. Selection and preparation of peanuts. The weather is favorable, and it seems that this year's crop will be abundant. Peanut seeds are large and boast beautiful, even and bright colors, which serve as evidence of their quality and nutritional value. After harvesting, peanuts are transported to the processing factory. The journey to make peanut butter begins with the meticulous selection of peanuts. Quality is paramount, as only the best peanuts are chosen. Peanuts are carefully put into the shelling machine, leaving clean peanuts ready for the next steps. Removing the shell also helps reduce firmness and makes the peanut butter easier to puree during processing. Grinding the peanuts. After preparation, the peanuts are fed into a grinder. During this stage, they are processed for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are transformed into a fine, smooth paste. 3. Adding ingredients. Add sugar, salt, and stabilized oil, and then mix thoroughly for 5 minutes. Four. Quality control and adjustments. Samples are taken to test taste and consistency, then adjusted accordingly. 5. Packaging and distribution. Once completed, the final peanut butter is packaged into jars or containers in preparation for the next stage of production. The packaging process is designed to ensure that the peanut butter remains fresh and delicious for as long as possible. The jars or containers are then sealed to preserve the peanut butter and keep the product fresh and safe. Before shipping, each jar or container is accurately labeled so that consumers can easily identify and use the product conveniently. Finally, the jars of peanut butter are packed into boxes and ready for distribution to supermarkets. Six, environmental considerations. Factories are committed to minimizing waste and toxic emissions and optimizing the use of resources and materials.
Woo, that's some clean-looking peanuts.
Efforts are continuously made to reduce the environmental footprint of production processes, ensuring a sustainable approach to making this beloved spread. Thanks for exploring the peanut butter production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.